Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white pawn is going forward in this direction and black pawn is going downward in this direction to be promoted on the next move, and white is winning. You have to stop the pawn from winning and win the game. So you can lose both of these pieces because you have a pawn right here, a passed pawn, clearly to be a queen once you stop this pawn. But the challenge is, how do you stop this pawn? So that is the question, guys. As always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So looks like the king and the pawn are preventing us from the only way stopping the piece, right? The pawn. And looks like the knight is too far from reaching the pawn, and the king and the queen are just too far, and there is no possibility or combination to fork them, right? And this is only leaves us with a draw. But there is only one way, and this is not the correct move, and all of these are not the correct move. The correct move is to play knight to b6. So what is the idea? Well, the idea is now the king has got only one move, which is king to b8. And now we are going to play rook to c3. So what is the idea of this move? Well, we are just trying some kind of focus. And now if you had a chance to see that the king can't play any move, otherwise we are going to play rook to b3, and now we are going to just stop the pawn, and this is not winning. This is not a draw for black. So black obviously wouldn't do that, and black will just get a queen. But our idea of playing this move is to play knight to d7. So what does this do? Well, this puts black in 3 moves. First, if black moves to b7, we are going to play rook to b3, and this is going to be just a fork. So all of these moves are preparing the black king to focus, right? Black get a queen, we play knight to d7, and this is a fork. You may say, what if the king moves to these 2 squares? It doesn't matter where the black king moves. It doesn't matter, the black king can move to a8 as well, but we are going to play rook to a3. And this puts black in only one option, to move the king to b7. And we are going to obviously win this game by forking the queen and the king, right? So this is winning. So guys, this is the solution. For a recap purpose, first we are going to play knight to b6, check. Black has got only one move in this position, and that is king to b8. And now we are going to play rook to c3. So our idea is, after black gets a queen, black has to get a queen, that is obvious. After black gets a queen on b1, we are going to play knight to d7, and no matter what black plays, we are going to play rook to a3, and this is a fork. After black plays king to b7, we are going to play rook to b3, and this is going to be a fork and winning the game. So that is it for today, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.